If you never filmed Spencer doing this and just put me in the video doing it, Spencer will be so upset. I'm gonna make a couple of these. Spencer's been making all of them. It turns out, so I always wondered why every single house only has single outlets. I'm like, guys, it's 2016. If there's 2 outlets, there should be 4 outlets. And I got my answer when I started doing it myself and doing that, and it's that this is incredibly putsy. Like, it's such a pain in the ass to wire this shit together. And for some reason, they don't make outlets. Even though there's outlet covers like this, they don't just like stamp out 4 packs of outlets that are like pre-made like that, which would be very easy to do. But it simply doesn't exist. So you have to wire each one, which is why your house only has 2 outlets. So next time you curse the designers, know that it's a monstrous pain in the ass to do it. But that said, we're pushing through and we're doing it because you only live once. YOLO 4 outlets.
YOLO
4 outlets. Outlets every 4 feet on the wall. You know why? Because it sucks when you're at an outlet right where you want it. Like our place, if we invite we're gonna invite a blind person over and be like, yo, plug this in. They're like, I don't know where the outlets are. They're like 18 inches off the ground. They're just gonna be like, right into an outlet. Right into an outlet. Right into an outlet. They can't even stop getting outlets because they're everywhere. Reach about knee height and just feel a wall, you'll find an outlet. It's beautiful. God, it's like a million nails on a chalkboard. It's a million nails from a million long-nailed people all on a chalkboard going at the same time. It's the worst. I don't know how you're not playing. It's like the worst sound.
Well, I can't hold the drill and
I know. All right, let's do it.
Got to 50! Physic, listen. You hear? That is the sound of ultimate suffering.
I hate it so much! Dude, I took it full intensity for a few seconds. It was like the scene from Sunshine. And we're like, can I feel 4%? And it's just like,
I feel like when aliens come to our planet and like want to kill us, they're just gonna like blast that.
if they played that noise, you couldn't shoot at them. You couldn't do anything. You just cry. Oh!
I think we hit it now.
I saw one move. I saw this one move. We're just a little bit to the right, but we're at like the perfect depth.
Yeah.
Power through?
This thing is not built
For that. This is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. Every time somebody comes in here, they'll look at this and they'll be like, because we're gonna put our light switches right here, and they'll be like, how did you get your light switches right there without your conduit? And I'll be like, chilled all the way through the pole. Stop! You actually took the head off of that nail. Alright. We hit it! Oh! Go away!
I'm trying. It's stuck.
Uh-oh.
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
You took the whole head of the grill off? How did that happen?
Brandon, you're asking the impossible question.
I didn't know that was a consequence that one could hit. Drilled a lot of things. Never done that.
I mean, how are we going to get this out?
I mean, is there like a lock for that?
So it can only go in? It can only go right now with the because
Drill through!
It can only
Drill through the other side.
No, that's not a solution.
kind of is.
This little bolt is the piece that holds this bit on and like keeps it from unscrewing itself, and it just completely sheared. Let me just try it. Take this off, pound it in, see if we can pound away whatever's causing our issue.
Yeah, there you go. Because now it should realign it. Oh, wait. I can actually see what's causing it. There's the nail right here.
And that's causing it to not come out.
Yep, because it's in the groove, and when it goes back, it hits. So we hit the nail that Spencer told me not to hit. Now, if that isn't an advertisement for electric drills, I don't know what is. See, I told you it didn't matter if we hit the nail. That was the least success I've ever felt.
At least successes.
We felt a lot of success and a lot of failures, and that was the least success feeling success. If you ever come here and you see there's a switch there in an interesting place, it's no, sometimes that switch was really hard to get there. But we got that switch right where we wanted it. Yeah. Except no substitute.
Broken drill doing it.